How wide is Lake Michigan from Milwaukee to Muskegon? It is about 80 miles by boat on Lake Michigan between Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and Muskegon, Michigan. You can travel between both places during the spring, summer, and fall by ferry service. Lake Michigan is the largest lake in the United States. It is considered one of the Great Lakes. Lake Michigan offers some great boating and recreational activities. About 80 miles by boat between Milwaukee to Muskegon. If you're looking for the shortest way to travel from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, to Muskegon, Michigan, that is by the Lake Express Ferry. The Lake Express Ferry will run on Lake Michigan during spring, summer, and fall. The quickest way to go from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, to Muskegon, Michigan, is by the Lake Express Ferry. You cannot see from Milwaukee to Muskegon. Despite what many people might think, you cannot see from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, to Muskegon, Michigan. Lake Michigan is just too prominent a lake. Lake Michigan is one of the 5 Great Lakes and has an area of 22,404 square miles, making it the largest lake entirely in the United States. Lake Michigan spans 4 states: Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan. Lake Michigan is a great boating lake. Lake Michigan is an excellent lake for all boating activities during the spring, summer, and fall months. Here are some of our favorite activities to do on Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan is a great sailing lake. Lake Michigan is a great lake to go sailing on. One of the reasons is that the lake has perfect winds and makes for a pleasant day of sailing. Milwaukee has a great sailing center called the Milwaukee Community Sailing Center. They offer some great sailing lessons and have an excellent community sailing program. Sports fishing on Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan offers all kinds of sports fishing on the lake. I have been told that the sports fishing on the lake is excellent. Someone said to me that in 5 hours of fishing, they could catch 100 pounds of salmon. Lake Michigan offers many fishing charters from many parts of the lake. One of the popular fishing charter companies from Milwaukee is Milwaukee Offshore Fishing. You can find out more by clicking here. All kinds of boating and water activities. If you are looking for a great place to do some boating, then Lake Michigan waters are excellent for all boating and water activities. All kinds of beach life on Lake Michigan. Along the shores of Lake Michigan are all kinds of public and private beaches that are great for swimming, sunbathing, and beach volleyball. Especially on the Michigan side of the lake, there can be some great sandy beaches and sand dunes. With its beautiful views and endless recreational opportunities, Lake Michigan is a great place to explore. Whether looking for an adventure or a relaxing getaway, Lake Michigan has something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We would love to have you be part of our community. Sign up for our newsletter to keep up to date by visiting our website www.abuseonyadustiro.com to know more about us. Check our social media below.